You reach for your phone, turn your neck, and ouch! That sharp pull, that grinding tightness, like someone tied a knot in your shoulder while you slept. And the worst part? You went to bed exhausted. You rested. You woke up worse. Stop scrolling. What I'm about to tell you is not what you've heard before. Stretch more, better pillow, sleep on your back. You've heard it. It doesn't work. Here's why. Your neck and your pillow are not the real problem. After 50, something is happening inside your body, connected to your hormones, your posture during the day, even how you breathe at night. That's what's waking you up stiff every morning. Today, I'm walking you through the real causes and the real fixes, including one gentle move we're doing together before this video ends. If this channel is new to you, welcome. I make videos for women over 50 who want real answers. Hit subscribe and drop a comment. Which side do you wake up stiff on? Neck, right shoulder, left? I read every one. Let's get into why this is actually happening. Here's the first thing nobody tells you. That stiffness the moment you open your eyes, it starts the night before, inside your body, not your pillow. Think of estrogen as WD-40 for your joints. It keeps everything lubricated, flexible, calm. After 50, those levels drop, and when they do, your muscles, especially your neck and shoulders, can't relax overnight the way they used to. So instead of waking up refreshed, you wake up wound tight. Here's a number that'll stop you cold. Up to 70% of women at this stage of life experience muscle and joint pain. Most think it's just aging. It's not. Let's loosen those shoulders right now. Sit up straight, feet flat. Roll your shoulders back and down. Here we go. Roll back 1, chest opens. Roll back 2, let your neck go. Roll back 3, drop your jaw, don't clench. Roll back 4, breathe out as you roll. Roll back 5 and hold. Shoulders back, down, chest open. That's what relaxed feels like. That's where your shoulders belong. We're just getting started. This next one surprised me most, and it's probably the biggest reason you wake up stiff. It has nothing to do with how you sleep. It's what you do all day. Right now, is your chin drifting forward? Is your head sliding in front of your shoulders like a turtle poking out of its shell? That position doesn't go away when you lie down. You carry it into your pillow. Your neck muscles work overtime all night just holding your head up. By morning, they're exhausted. That's your stiffness. And here's a number that stopped me cold. Every inch your head drifts forward adds 10 extra pounds of pressure on your neck just from looking at a screen. Let's fix it right now. Chin tucks. Do this with me. Sit up tall, eyes straight ahead, shoulders relaxed. Gently glide your chin straight back, not down, not up, straight back, like you're making a double chin on purpose. Hold 1, 2, 3. Feel that stretch at the base of your skull? Release. Again, chin back, 1, 2, 3. Release. Again, 1, 2, 3. Good. Hold it, breathe out slowly. Last one, chin back, 1, 2, 3. Release. That is your neck resetting itself. I have to ask you something. Be honest. Do you sleep on your stomach? Because that might be the single biggest reason you wake up stiff every morning. Here's what's actually happening. Face down, your head twists all the way to one side just so you can breathe. Try this right now. Look over your shoulder as far as you can. Hold it there. Now imagine holding that for 7 hours straight. That's your neck, every night. One side squeezed, the other overstretched. By morning, both sides hurt. And even if you're a side sleeper, your pillow is working against you. Too flat, and your neck droops. Too thick, and it cranks upward all night. Either way, stiffness wins. Let's open those shoulders back up. Stand close to a wall, back flat against it, arms out like a goalpost, elbows bent. Wall angels. Slowly slide your arms up. Up 1, shoulder blades squeeze together. Up 2, keep your back flat, don't arch. Up 3, breathe in as you rise. Slide back down 4, slow and controlled. Back up 5, hold it up there. Feel that chest open? That's your upper back waking up the right way. How many of you went to bed last night still thinking about something you couldn't shake? A phone call, the news, something on your mind that just wouldn't quit? Drop a yes in the comments. I want to know. Because stress doesn't live in your head, it parks itself directly in your neck and shoulders. Your body floods with cortisol, your stress hormone, and it tells your muscles to brace, to tighten, to protect you. Problem is, you never told them to let go. So you carried that tension straight into your pillow, and your neck and shoulders held it all night long. It's like gripping your steering wheel through a scary drive and never unclenching your hands even after you park. Let's release it right now. Sit up tall, arms relaxed. Squeeze your shoulder blades together like you're holding a pencil between them. Squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let go completely. Again, squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. Shake it out. One more. Squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. Shoulders down, jaw loose. Breathe. That is your body letting go of yesterday. This next one, almost nobody talks about it. How much water did you actually drink yesterday? Not coffee, not juice, just water. Here's what's happening in your body. Your muscles are 75% water. The little cushions between the bones in your neck, your spinal discs, they depend on water to stay plump and flexible. Think of a grape versus a raisin, soft and bouncy, or dry, shriveled, stiff. Every morning you've just gone 7 or 8 hours without a single sip. Your body is at its most dehydrated point of the entire day. Those discs have been slowly drying out while you slept. That's why that first turn of your head feels like crunching gravel. So before your phone, before your coffee, water first, every single morning. Then do this with me. Sit up tall, feet flat, jaw loose. Gently tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Don't force it. Let gravity do the work. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel that stretch up the left side of your neck? Back to center. Left ear toward left shoulder. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel that? Back to center. Right side again. Gentle tilt. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side, last one. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly back up. Breathe. Notice how much looser that feels? Now, I need to pause because I care about you too much to skip this. Everything we've done today is for that familiar morning stiffness, the kind that eases up once you get moving. But listen carefully. Stiffness with a fever, call your doctor. Tingling, numbness, or shooting pain down your arm or into your fingers, don't brush that off. That's a different signal entirely. A headache unlike you've had before, sudden, hard, won't let up. Get checked. Don't wait. And if your neck feels truly locked, not just stiff but impossible to turn, especially with nausea or light sensitivity, that needs attention today. 5 minutes every morning, that's all this takes. Do it with me one final time. Water first. Before your phone, before your coffee. Your discs need it. Your muscles need it. Do it. Shoulder rolls. 5 slow ones. Back and down, 1. Chest opens, 2. Breathe out, 3. Drop your jaw, 4. Hold it back, 5. Good. Chin tucks. Straight back. Make that double chin proud. Back, 1, 2, 3. Release. Back, 2, 2, 3. Release. Back, 3, 2, 3. Perfect. Shoulder blade squeezes. Pencil between those blades. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let go. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let go. Neck tilts. Right ear down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back up. Left ear down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back up. Breathe. Now, your bonus tip, and this one is a game changer. Before any of this, let warm water run on the back of your neck in the shower for 2 minutes. Heat opens your blood vessels, loosens your muscles, and makes every stretch you just did twice as effective. The Arthritis Foundation recommends this. Warm shower before movement, not after, before. Can I be honest with you? You just did more for your neck and shoulders in the last few minutes than most people do in an entire week. That is real. Feel good about that. But here's what I've learned working with women just like you. The morning is only half the battle. What you do during the day, how you sit, how you carry your bag, how you hold your phone, that determines how you feel the next morning. I made a whole video on exactly that for women over 50. It covers why your upper back weakens over time and how that weakness forces your neck to carry everything alone, all day long, like asking one person to do the work of 5. The moves are just as gentle as these. No floor work, no equipment. And women keep telling me in the comments, that video was the missing piece, the one that finally connected everything. When this video ends, it's going to pop up. Watch it next. But first, one final check-in with me right now. Sit up tall. Roll those shoulders back and down. Roll back, 1. Chin gently back, 2. Slow breath in, 3. And all the way out, 4. That's your body saying thank you. We made it to the end together, and I don't take that lightly. You stayed, you moved, you showed up for yourself, and that is what separates the women who feel better from the ones who keep wishing they did. One last move. Standing or sitting, wherever you are. Reach both arms out to your sides, palms facing forward like you're opening 2 doors at once. Squeeze those shoulder blades back, 1, 2, 3. Chest wide open, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in through your nose, 7, 8, and let everything go on a slow exhale, 9, 10. Chest open, shoulders back, chin gently tucked. That is what your body was designed to feel like. Not hunched, not gripped, not fighting through another stiff morning. Now, one thing before you go. Which of these 4 causes surprised you most? The hormone connection, the pillow, the stress, or the water? Drop it in the comments. Your answer shapes the next video I make for you. And if this helped you today, share it with one woman in your life who wakes up stiff every morning. You could change her whole day. Hit subscribe. New videos every week, made for you. See you in the next one.